Get to know the all-new Oracle GoldenGate Studio 23 AI. With Oracle GoldenGate Studio, you can design and deploy high-volume, real-time data replication pipelines with easy-to-use recipes drawn from best practice configurations. Oracle GoldenGate Studio 23 AI is built atop Oracle's best-in-class data replication software and offers you a sleek, easy-to-use user interface to help you replicate data successfully with minimal time and effort. Let's log in and take a look around. After you log in, register a deployment to get started. The deployment connects GoldenGate Studio to an on-premise Oracle GoldenGate instance that powers your pipeline. Next, create connections to your source and target databases. GoldenGate Studio 23 AI supports a variety of Oracle database versions, including Oracle Database, Oracle Exadata, and Oracle Autonomous Database. The Create Connection wizard collects the connectivity information for your source or target Oracle databases. If using Autonomous Database as a source or target, ensure that you create a user alias for Autonomous Database in Oracle GoldenGate. Now create a pipeline. A pipeline is a framework that defines the replication process. It's a linear sequence of steps that determine how the data moves between the source and target connections. When you create a pipeline, select a recipe to follow. A recipe is essentially a template based on a common replication scenario. GoldenGate Studio 23 AI offers 3 recipes for you to choose from. One-way database replication applies change events from source to target. Active-active database replication applies change events in both directions, ensuring the source and target database are kept in sync. And zero ETL mirror mirrors on-premise and cloud Oracle databases. Let's choose zero ETL mirror. Name the pipeline and then select your source and target connections. The source connection acts as the source of the initial load in the zero ETL mirror. After you create your pipeline, you can review and select schemas and tables for the source database to replicate in the configuration screen. The initial load process transfers a complete dataset from the source to the target before starting ongoing replication. Depending on the source and target technology types, a different set of transfer mediums are available. For object storage, provide the bucket URI, and if the source is Autonomous Database, provide the SSL wallet path. When you start the pipeline, GoldenGate Studio checks the deployment, source and target databases, and GoldenGate credentials. It then prepares database objects for extraction, creates a heartbeat table, and then captures the data from the source. Next, it performs an initial load of the target database, creates the checkpoint table, and applies change data to the target. After pipeline initialization completes, you can monitor and analyze real-time operations that are captured and replicated between the source and target databases. Try Oracle GoldenGate Studio today. Learn more at oracle.com/integrate/GoldenGate. Thanks for watching.